Hello, Dan from DJMoore Lofts. We're back on the GoPro. Admittedly, I've lost the microphone, so we're having to go a little bit old school again. So we're having a few technical issues, but hopefully bear with us and you can hear us. But we are at a relatively new build property in Biggleswade on a new estate. Detached property, where we're adding a dormer conversion basically. So the client here though is a structural engineer himself, so he's designed and done the plans and the structural calcs, and what he's asked us to do is just a structure only conversion on this one. So we're actually quite close to finishing this from our element of works, but we've got the insulation here and we've got the plasterboard delivered as part of our normal works, just because with our loft lifter we utilise that and get that up for the client so we can get that in the space. But if we jump up there, I'll give you a little show. So here is our dormer at the back. So we've got a nice big dormer at the back. Greg is just messing around with the rubber roof, trims and plastics and stuff and just finishing it off. The bulk of the cladding is done. We need to give it a good clean and the paint down, just because this, with the cutting of it and stuff, it just creates dust. So we go around, clean it all off, we paint everything up and just tidy everything up really, make it all nice and neat. Anthracite fascia, anthracite windows. That's obscure because that's going to be a bathroom. The best thing is, let's jump inside and show you the space that this is added, because it is such a difference. Look at this. So if I switch this round now, look at that. Massive difference. Just going to turn Elvis Presley off because Darren's got Elvis playing on his phone. As you do, why not? So yeah, look at this space. So we started off with a truss roof. Not too sure if I've got imagery of the original. I think I have, so we'll drop that in now so you can see what it started like, and then we look at what we've got to play with now. Such a difference. You would have seen in that shot just then there was a boiler flue going up here. So what we done, we had it temporarily repositioned onto the front side of the roof whilst we were waiting for our plumbing team to come in and move the boiler, which they are doing now. So originally there was like an airing cupboard downstairs and all the pipe work and everything was there and the boiler was there, and that's why the flue come up. And that's why there's a perfect 4-inch hole there, so flue come up. But basically what we're doing is extending all the pipe work, reposition it into this corner here. So because it's structure only, we've plasterboarded it and insulated it, got everything ready so that we can put that boiler in its final position, and then that will allow the client to then take over at a later date. We've ordered the stairs today, they're due midweek next week, so closing stages for us is fitting the stairs. Clients asked us to dot and dab the stairwell and stuff like that just to get that side finished, just so that they can open that up. But they're going to be left with a big blank canvas like this basically, which looks great. Darren and Greg have done a good job. We organised the windows and everything as well, so all the windows will be fitted and finished outside, stairs in, and that is a good one. So midweek to end part of next week we will be done. If I show you the plans, this is what they're currently working to. This is the design that they're going to have. So originally there was an airing cupboard here. If I show you that there, see that there was an airing cupboard. But what we've done is we're going to lose the airing cupboard to get the stairs, identical set of stairs up and over. We're going to have a small landing leading on into a dressing room and a big bedroom and a bathroom in this area here. So it's going to look really nice. And then we've got our structural calcs here, because people are always asking in the questions, how do you do it? So on this one we've got 3 steel beams. So we've got a centre floor beam, an eaves beam and then a ridge beam. So the idea being is we joist in between and joist out to the wall plate. So that's our floor beam, we joist from there to the outer wall plate, we joist from there to the eaves beam that you just see, and we've got the ridge beam up there. Just dropped off some more concrete blocks, so Darren is just bricking in the blocks now, ready so that the floorboards, once they go down, that we've still got access to everything and don't struggle to put the floorboards, put the blocks in. But yeah, so because this client's an engineer himself already, he was the one that designed and done all the specs and everything as well. So, but thankfully it's all very much in line with how we typically do it, or our original engineer normally does it as well. So all good. But yeah, just showing you a bit of a part conversion really. So like I say, probably won't do a follow-up on this one because there's not going to be much more to show you internally, because this is going to be the handover in a week's time other than the stairs. And I better wrap this up soon because Pat's looking at me like he's desperate to carry on drilling, make some noise and not interfere with this video. But hopefully that was useful. Hopefully we can show you the difference from before to what we've got now. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Enjoy.